Microsoft Word for Teaching and Learning. Module 6, Using Styles and Themes. Welcome to Module 6 of our Microsoft Word course for early childhood educators. In this module, we'll look at how to use styles and themes to enhance the appearance and consistency of your documents. These tools can help make your documents look polished and professional while saving you time. We'll use the theme of foods that are good for you to make our examples relatable and engaging. Let's explore how to make your documents stand out. Understanding styles. Styles in Word are predefined sets of formatting options that you can apply to text to ensure consistency throughout your document. This can be particularly useful for maintaining a uniform look in lesson plans, informational brochures, and other classroom materials. Applying styles. Highlight the text you want to format. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Styles group, choose a style that fits your needs, such as Heading 1, Heading 2, or Normal. For example, if you're creating a document titled Foods That Are Good For You, with sections like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, you can use Heading 1 for the main section titles and Normal for the body text that provides details about each food group. Modifying styles. You might want to adjust styles to better fit your document's theme or your preferences. Here's how. Right-click on the style you want to modify in the Styles group. Select Modify from the context menu. In the Modify Style dialog box, you can change the font, size, color, and other formatting options. Click OK to apply the changes. For instance, if you want to change the color of all your headings to reflect the freshness of healthy foods, you can modify the Heading 1 style to use a vibrant green color, symbolizing nature and vitality. Using themes. Themes are a collection of formatting choices, including colors, fonts, and effects that you can apply to your entire document. They ensure a consistent look and feel. Applying a theme. Go to the Design tab on the ribbon. In the Themes group, click on a theme to apply it to your document. You can preview different themes and select one that suits your document's purpose. For example, if you're creating an educational pamphlet about nutritious foods, you can choose a theme with earthy tones and clean fonts for a sense of health and well-being. Customizing themes. If you want to customize a theme to better fit your needs, go to the Design tab. Click on Colors or Fonts in the Document Formatting group to choose or customize color schemes and font sets. Step 3. For more advanced customization, click on Customize Colors or Customize Fonts to create your own color schemes or font combinations. For instance, you might want to create a custom theme with colors that match the foods you're highlighting. Green for vegetables, red for fruits, brown for whole grains. This personalized theme reinforces the content and makes your document more visually appealing. In this module, you've learned how to use and customize styles and themes in Microsoft Word, using the theme of foods that are good for you. By applying these tools, you can create professional-looking documents quickly and maintain a consistent appearance across all your classroom materials. Incorporating themes and styles that reflect your content not only enhances the visual appeal of your documents, but also reinforces the educational message you're conveying to your learners. In Module 7, we'll cover printing and page layout to ensure your documents look great both on screen and in print. Let's move on to Module 7.